Hey everybody, I hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to be walking you through how to make today I'm going to be showing you how to make a works cited. So a works cited, we're going to use MLA for the purposes of this course. It's a very formal way to show people where you got information for a project. So you'll be using MLA throughout the rest of your high school career and most likely in your college career, unless your courses want you to use APA instead of MLA, which is similar to MLA, it's just a little bit different. So depending on the type of research you're doing, you'd either cite it in MLA format or APA format. So step one is obviously to find a source with information. Yesterday I had you look at your own source to find information. The other days I assigned you sources to look at. And once you find a source, you're going to want to cite the author. Okay, it's important for us to know who this information is from. Some websites don't list an author, but one that did for you guys was behindthename.com. And it's not always going to be right there, like by so-and-so. Sometimes you have to do a little bit of searching. So the way that I found the author is I clicked on this little hyperlink about at the very bottom, and it told me that the site was created by Mike Campbell in 1996. So that's how I knew who the author was. Okay. If you find an author, you're going to put last name, comma, first name, and then a period. Okay. If there's no author, you just skip this step. Next, you need to find a title. For you, that's probably going to be your name on every page that you find. So if you look in your document I made for you, I asked you to please place your name in quotations, and I put my example, which is my name. If you look at the example on this slide, you'll see the article's titled The Secrets of the Hunger Games. So the article title always gets put in quotations, and you put a period at the end of the article title. Okay, the next step is the name of the website, which goes in italics. A lot of times it is a .com. But not always. So if we look at the sources that I did for you, we have babynames.com or behind the name. So usually it's going to be that big name up here. So behind the name does not have a .com listed, but if you go to babynames.com, if you look in the top corner, it does have the .com listed. Okay, so that's how you know what the title is for the website. And that always goes in italics. Your next step is going to be to find the sponsoring organization. A lot of these websites do not have one. So you may not find anything, but I will show you just an example of the one that did have one, which was babynames.com. So again, I had to do a little bit of searching. I went all the way down to the bottom, and I pressed about babynames.com, and it told me some information about it. And then all the way at the bottom of the page, I saw Moss Gathering LLC. Okay, and I knew that is the organization that owns it because it's an LLC. And if you're having trouble with this and you're not sure for the website that you had, I will gladly help you look through it and double check for you if it has a sponsoring organization. Next, you want the date of publication. Most of these will not have a date of publication. Some might just have a year of publication. So if it just has the year, you can put just the year. If it happens to have an actual date of publication, you do write it the European way. So you'll put the date, then the month, then the year. And no commas for this. If there's no date, you're going to write N.D. And my PowerPoint has that. It automatically capitalize the N, but you don't capitalize the N. So I would have to go in and fix that. Okay? Then you're always going to write the word web, And lastly, you're going to put the day that you accessed it. Right? The last thing you need to do is put a hanging indent. I did not put a hanging indent for you on any of your sources because your name length is going to possibly change where the indent's going to be. And then you need to put them in alphabetical order. Okay, a lot of you are just going to start it with articles. Your articles are all going to have the same name, so then you need to go by the website. Okay, does T come first or does Y come first, right? So these are still actually in alphabetical order here because T comes before Y if we omit the other parts of this. And that is about it. Here on this page, I already, I've asked you most of these things so that you would be ready for that. And that should be everything that you need to know for how to do this, but as always, reach out if you have any questions and I will be happy to help you. Take care.